Ang nakaraan sa Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11, ang mga housemates kargado na.
Babawian namin sila ng pagkapanalo.
We believe in ourselves po, Kuya. Confident po ako na mananalo kami.
Mas stronger kami ngayon and sure ako, Kuya, we're gonna win.
Nakasalali po kayo yung spot po namin dito sa bahay niyo po.
Gigil po talaga. May konting galit po ako. Sa chicken namin, hindi nila binigay.
Para sa kanilang muling pagtutuos.
House Challenge number 2 in 3, 2, 1, go!
Para sa ikalawang house challenge, gamit ang dalawang mahabang stick, kailangan mailipat ang 50 objects sa area ng kalaban. Maaring ipasa ang stick sa kakampi gamit ang bell pero hindi na maaring umulit ang nagpalit. Ang unang grupong makaubos, sila ang mananalo.
Kuya, sa totoo lang, nagpe-pray talaga ako, Kuya. Ang hirap mo naman! Sobrang perfect mo!
Kalma!
Sino kaya ang magtatagumpay? Ano kaya ang kahahantungan ng kanilang mainit na paghaharap? Dito lang yan sa Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11. Sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang second house challenge, si Fiang tila natatambakan.
Keep it, Fiang. I don't want it. I don't want it, Fiang. I don't want it.
Talagang game face on si Wakala, pinanindigan yung galit sa chicken eh. Hindi nila pwedeng makuha yung spot namin.
Thank you.
Kuya, sa totoo lang din, nangala yung ganito ko.
She was doing a good job, pero nakikita ko na din na parang nangangalay na yung mga kamay niya.
Mas mahihirapan po yung mga susunod po sa akin if hindi ako magdo-doorbell nang mas maaga, Kuya.
Now, Kai, take these back.
Kahit sa substitution ni Kai, tila lalong nahuhuli ang mga housemates.
I actually felt quite nervous because it was my turn.
Don't throw it in, Kai.
Mahirap talaga.
Back to balls already, Kai. You're not going to try the Rubik's Cube.
J-Boy!
Kulang pa sila nag-swap.
Natitense din po ko. Gusto ko na po i-ring yung bell. Patingin-tingin kila ko yung Binsoy, kila ko yung JM. Hindi na po mapakulit talaga kanino ko yan.
Guy, pwede mag-bell ah.
Kaya hapong kwan.
May bell, Guy.
Kaya ni Kai. Sige lang.
Even if Kai was slow po sa first,
Okay, Sean, you got it. I believe in you.
I swear, I believed in Kai po talaga.
Don't think about it. Remember the chicken? We worked hard for that.
I don't think you want the chicken, Kai.
Oh, I want some chicken.
I don't think you want the chicken, Kai.
Kuya, you'll be inis. Naririnig ko din po yun kay Jaren.
Bro, you were there. You were there with us, Jaren.
It was a strategy to stay calm. Hindi ko na mamalayan anong nangyayari kasi I was so focused.
Oh, yeah.
We have to win it talaga.
7 na lang yung sa kanila. Sa amin po kaya ang dami. Matatalo na naman kami.
My chances, Kuya, when it was against Jaren, it was dito.
Ano po ako doon, Kuya, nakinabahan po, Kuya, kasi po baka matalo na naman po kami.
It's between Boots versus...
Malaki naman din po ang tiwala ko kay Kuya, lalong-lalo na po nakita ko po siya na focus po talaga siya, Kuya.
Oh, you're not getting tired, Asia.
Okay, Sean. Go, okay, Sean. Nice one. I love you. I love you, bro.
In the first place, Kuya, sila po yung nandito para hamunin kami ng challenge. Siyempre, Kuya, kami yung housemate. Kailangan rin namin patunayan sarili namin ng manalo po.
Kai, the Rubik's Cubes love you.
The outside world loves you too.
Don't worry, you're next.
Sobrang init ng mga batuhan ng dalawang bata.
I'll see you outside.
Jaren started feeling, maybe he felt comfortable or parang ease.
So super yabang. Nagpo-push up pa si Jaren.
Stop using the wall, Kai.
I just know that he's gonna regret that.
Kaya sabay si Jan.
You can't come one. No, I'm chill.
Palong-palo yung kay Kai at kay Jaren.
Okay siya. Hindi ko like.
Damn.
Kaya pa.
I don't know where I got the strength. I don't know where I got the confidence.
Sa mahigit 3 oras na mainit na pagtutuos, si Kai tila nahanap na ang kanyang pulso sa challenge.
It's a clutch.
Kai's specialty po is clutch po, kuya.
Relax lang pa. You know what? I'll take it.
I was crazy. Consistent yung pag-throw ko po. I felt na naiinis na si Jaren.
Okay siya. Tubig.
Kasi nga nagpalit na. Nagkaroon po ng pag-asa, kuya.
Hindi talaga ako nag-give up po, kuya. So I just kept going, kuya. My body, my hands were aching so bad. Parang magi-give up na sila po, kuya. But my mind and my heart says, no way.
Sobrang mahalagang manalo po kami ngayon.
Posible ba itong blocks? Kamay lang kaya, wait. Woo! Next one. Okay.
This is it. Kahit nangangalay na po ako, kuya, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna sub. I'm gonna finish this game.
Bro, I love you, boy. Okay siya!
I believe in Kai so much po, kuya.
Lego! Go, Kai, you got it. Let's go, chicken!
Kaya naman na Kai. We love you. We're here.
Talagang humugot talaga kami. Kasi iniisip talaga namin yung spot namin. Bukod po sa weekly task. Spot talaga, kuya, kasi kuya, ang tagal namin iningatan at pinaglaban yung spot namin. Kukunin lang nila.
Kuya, mahirap siya!
If we're gonna lose, what is the bawi there? And we deserve to keep our spots po, kuya. Kaya po, it's very important for us po, kuya, to bawi, kuya. Kasi
Not only for my own pride, but just our pride as housemates, kuya.
Let's go!
Para sa inyong second house challenge, binabati ko kayo, housemates! Dahil kayo ang nanalo sa second house challenge, makukuha ninyo ang inyong 50% ng weekly budget.
Super victorious. Tears of joy, kuya. Ganun po, kuya.
Sobrang saya po namin nung nanalo po kami. Minapatan na hindi po kami, kuya.
I wouldn't have been like that if it weren't for the things that had happened. Kaya I'm thankful for the experiences that I had experienced in the past few days. Yun talaga mas napagpahalaga ng second challenge namin and why we should win it talaga. So, thank you, Lord. Thank